The animation goes first, I suppose, to the 10. Because I remember last year, I tried to do, was it last year? Or 2 years? I think 2 years ago. I did like a little test. I played Flex Queue and I played every single champion one match in support role, no matter what. I mean, I ended up with negative win rate in like gold, but it was funny. So it's like I played every character because I wanted to see, because like I never played every character, you know. So I was like, all right, I'll try it. So it's like, all right, Aatrox support, Annie support, Ash support, Amumu support. I know, you know everything, A, B, C, D, and everything, right? Is this A, B, C, D, E, F, G? Crazy time, 10x is right now. Woo! Crazy time, Marinos. Let's go. All right, follow me, lads. All right, let's get in. 10 timers, crazy timers. All right, let's go, baby. All right, party to the moon. Walking on the moon. All right, 3 guys. You know, of course, the animation goes first, I suppose, to the 10x. Wow, covers. All right, green, blue, yellow, guys. 3. Choose your team. Choose your, yeah, choose your whatever it is. 3 flappers, guys. All right, blue, green, yellow, yellow, blue, green. There is no red flappers, by the way, guys. If you wanted to pick red flapper, you're playing the wrong game. Okay, well, 1000x the maximum, guys, this time, so... Let's go. 1K. Give me a 1K. All right, 1,000. Everybody, let's go. 3 flappers, 1K each. Come on. Ooh, well, it's double 250s and a 500 on yellow. Well, 250, 250, 500. Let's go.
Video finished. The clock in the video is a Troll Time UTC-HS clock. How to compare the hours in this video. Open an internet search for world clocks and compare the hours on the video with the clocks in your country. Thank you.